Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from a third-party supplier or wholesaler to the customer. Here's how dropshipping typically works. 1. Customer places an order *. A customer places an order on an online store or e-commerce platform. 2. Order is forwarded to the supplier *. The store owner then purchases the requested item from a third-party supplier or wholesaler, who will ship it directly to the customer. 3. Supplier ships the product *. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer, including the store owner's branding and packaging if required. The main advantages of dropshipping are: 1. Low initial investment *. Since you don't need to purchase inventory upfront, there's a lower barrier to entry compared to traditional retail. 2. Reduced risk *. You don't have the risk of holding excess inventory that may not sell. 3. Wide product range *. You can offer a wide range of products without having to manage physical stock. 4. Location flexibility *. You can run a dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection, as you don't need to handle physical products. However, there are also challenges. 1. Lower margins *. The profit margins in dropshipping tend to be lower due to the competitive nature of the model. 2. Less control over product quality *. Since you're relying on third-party suppliers, you have less control over product quality and fulfillment speed. 3. Supplier reliability *. Your business depends on the reliability and efficiency of your suppliers. If they have issues, it can affect your customer satisfaction. 4. Customer service challenges *. Since you're the primary point of contact for customers, you may face challenges in dealing with product-related issues, returns, or refunds. Successful dropshipping businesses often focus on niche markets, provide excellent customer service, and establish strong relationships with reliable suppliers. Additionally, effective marketing and branding strategies can help differentiate your business in a competitive market.